Are you looking for an easy and convenient way to vacuum your car? Well, let's look at this product. Hi everybody, welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Anley, and today we're going to be reviewing the Baseus Handy Vacuum Cleaner. As you know, in each episode, we do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it.
Wow, hey everybody, what's up and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at this Baseus Anti-Tangle Brush Rolls Vacuum. This thing is perfect for vehicles, and guess what? The box looks fantastic. It's got all the little social media on the side, and look at all the information on the back. It's all set up for you. Look how great it is. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we unbox it. First thing out of the box is a box. Let's see what's inside. Looks like we got some attachments here. Nice little brush roller right here. Looks like it's easy. Pop on right there. Clicks right in. Little skinny attachment right here, which is probably perfect for getting in the crevices. A nice little brush right here, which is probably great for things like your carpet. Wow, look at that. Very nice. The bristle brush right here, which you can use. The cleaning brush right here. Look at that. Very nice. You can use that to clean out the bristles and everything of the vacuum. And finally, our charging cable, which happens to be USB-C. Very nice. Loving this new technology that's using USB-C. I'm glad Apple also got on the train. We also have our instruction manual right here. We'll have everything that you need and all the additional information. And of course, the most important part, the vacuum itself. Let's unwrap it. Wow. Look at that, everybody. This thing feels great. Definitely feels high quality. Loving it. Good job, Baseus. Another great product from you guys.
$6,000 PA suction force LED light, 25-minute battery life, 72 decibel low operation noise, 1,000 milliliter large capacity dustbin, anti-tangle brush rolls, multi-head accessories, electric rolling brush. Equipped with an electric silicone roller brush to pick up pet hairs and pet messes from your upholstery and carpets more easily without entanglement. Baseus AP02 handheld vacuum is designed for homes with pets. A pet owner must have. Specially designed silicone brush with high-speed roller easily traps hairs without entanglement. Compared with the bristle brush used in traditional vacuum cleaners, effectively reduces hair entanglement during vacuuming. Versatile cleaning. With 3 attachments included inside the package, this handheld vacuum cleaner is suitable for various scenarios. Install the brush head for dusting on keyboards, hard floors, etc., or the crevice tool for hard to reach spots like gaps and corners. Electric roller for carpets and rugs in your house. Brush head for floor mats in your car. Crevice tool for gaps and corners. Built-in LED light. A super bright LED light is built into the design for you to look for debris in the trunk of your car, under the sofa, or behind the cabinets. And cordless design allows you to reach those tough spots effortlessly. A 500 milliliter dustbin is almost the size of a household upright vacuum cleaner, good for cleaning your entire house and your cars. Just press a button to open the dustbin and empty the trash without dirtying your hands, and the HEPA filter is also detachable for easier cleaning. Long battery life with ergonomic design, lightweight and compact, maximum 25-minute operations with one full charge, easily covering your entire house with one go. Thanks to you, Baseus. My car is now clean and my dad won't yell at me. We'd like to give a huge shout out to Baseus for sponsoring this video. All of their links will be down below in the description. I've been today's host, Anley. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye!